Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we're going to be talking about email. Yep, that's right. We're going to be talking about email. Canva has come out with a bunch of updates recently, and one of the updates is email. You can now create visually appealing emails, and not only that, but you can connect your Google Gmail account so that you can send it straight from Canva straight into your Gmail. So I'm going to show you a couple pieces with that and then let you explore. So when you are in the Canva homepage, you're going to go to this little email icon and you're going to click it and create a new one. Now, just when you create an email, it's going to be just like anything else you create in Canva. You're going to have that blank space that you can create in. And under design, you're going to have all kinds of different email templates that you can choose from to put into start your email. And any of these, so if we were to pick this really wonderful dog one, it could put in there, and then you can go in and edit any pieces that you want to do. Okay, so you can go in, edit all the pieces, and make that email look exactly the way you want. Not only that, but when you're in design, let's say that you don't really know what you want to do, but you know that there's a couple key pieces. Let's say that I put in this where I just want to create an email template that is going to show 3 sections where I'm going to do an intro, an explanation, and a video, and then you can click generate design, and it's going to come up with a pretty basic template for you using AI, but then you can customize it any way you want. So when it's done, it shows my cool little design. I don't know why I chose purple, but I'm loving it. You can use it and replace it. And now this is my template that it came up with, and now I can go in and change anything that I want. So whenever I'm done with my email and I'm ready to go, I can do a couple different things. I can send a test email to myself so I can see what it's going to look like when it gets to me. But whenever you're really done, you're going to go to share and you're going to click the Gmail. Now, the first time you do this and you click on this, it's going to walk you through connecting Canva to your Gmail account, just like anything else we've done in the past. But whenever it's ready, it's going to export it to Gmail. And it's going to take a little bit here as it exports it, but it's going to take you right into your Gmail, and you are going to have this beautiful, visually appealing email to send when you want. So what could we use for this? Well, we could use this for fundraising, maybe monthly newsletters, anything that you want to do that you just want people to kind of be drawn into it and not just be a boring old email. All right, that's it. Have fun. Go out there, play, and have a great, awesome time. Thanks.